going on, people? Welcome back to the channel. You catch me at the infamous petrol station because the petrol lights come on. I'm running on empty basically, so let's see how much this costs. Get rid of that, lift that. Hiya, how we doing? That's the homie Anton from the local petrol station. Right, let's see how much this costs for a full tank. I'm guessing probably about 20. What's happening here? It stopped working. There we go. I'm guessing probably about 25 quid. Get your predictions in now in the comment section. We're at £9, £10. It's a bloody nice smell. So £22. I weren't far off. 22 quid. Core blimey. Daylight robbery. Right, people. That's paid for. Here's Blanche. Sexy as fuck, but also dirty. Need to clean. I need someone to clean this bad boy for me. I don't have the time or the patience. Look at this. Mad. Hella dirty. Please help me out. Right, let's bring up the trip if I can remember how to get to it. Oh, it's not going to work until I power the bike up. Let's get on. We're in neutral. Power up. Trip. Right, full tank, 155 miles. Trip 1, trip 2, average 45 miles per gallon, depending on your right wrist. Average miles per hour, 37, not bad for a flipping super bike. And 28,000 miles. So, let's get this bad boy back on. Right, what I'm going to do while I'm here, log in. Actually, let me turn this off, because you can't hear nothing. Right, people, what I need you to do, like, comment, share and subscribe, all that good stuff. But these two things, add me up. TikTok, that's me. Make sure you add me up on TikTok, right? And if you're coming from my YouTube channel, let me know you've come from my YouTube channel so I can follow you guys back. That's the TikTok one. And not that I use Instagram, but it is there. I've got like 0 friends on Instagram. I've got followers, 38 followers. I don't really use Instagram. Follow me up. There's my Instagram handle. Again, if you're coming from YouTube, make sure you let me know you're from YouTube so I can follow you guys back. Talking about that, while I'm on here, YouTube. Right, firstly, big congratulations to man like DWUTV. He's passed his full license, so now he's got a big boy license, and he's also gonna go and get himself a big boy bike. So everybody, go and follow up man like DWUTV, because he'll be pushing out some motorbike content as well, and he's from the ends. Man like D-double. Word up to you, player. I can't wait to see the new bike. I know what it is, but I'm not going to tell people because it's not my place. So follow him, subscribe to his page, and you'll see what his bike reveal is. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to catch you guys on the road. But in the meantime, what's going on, people? And I'm back. I just had to do a quick little detour to the homie in the phone shop. Had to discuss a little something with him. I've got an update with some exciting news. Let me get out of this guy's way first. I got some exciting news that I can share with you guys. So I had a phone call from Spanner Monkeys. After a lengthy discussion, we are one step closer to getting exhaust on this bad boy. Blanche will be sounding a lot different very shortly. Now, we've discussed on what exhaust system to go with. Price, agreed. It is what it is. And let's just say it's not cheap in the slightest. The next step, what they're going to do for me now is order the exhaust. As soon as that comes in, I'm going to have a phone call from them. They'll let me know it's coming. I'm going to get the bike dropped off there. Depending on how long it takes them, I might wait there for it to get done and record it and show you guys. Or it might be a case of leaving the bike there with them for the day and letting them. I've discussed with Sabrina, the lady who you guys saw in the last vlog, if she can record it for me, which she said she will, because obviously I won't be there for it. I'm going to be doing real life stuff, i.e. work. That is where we stand with the exhaust side of things. I actually can't wait for that ball to start rolling. They're looking at a full system for me, full titanium system, or just a slip-on. Now obviously a full tie system is going to increase horsepower and all of that good stuff on the bike. Do I need it? Hell no. I barely use. What the f, man? Good job I wasn't speeding. What a twat. Then you have the audacity to put your hand up. Lost my train of thought now, so I'm just going to shut up. The weather was nice, but now it's gone all a bit miserable, so I don't quite know what's going to happen. I've just had a phone call from the family members back at home saying I've got family coming over, more family. I'm going to take my ass home. Give him a quick nod. Actually, we'll go this way as well. We'll do a little detour. Come down in gear and get in the middle. Why? Because it's part of bike life. That's why. Ooh. Make sure these lights don't turn on me. And lo and behold, they did. Right, be careful there, there's people. What is happening there? I feel like it's going to rain. What we'll do is we'll go a different way. No. What a joke. Taxi driver gone through the red light, brilliant. What I'm going to do is cut it off here and then I'll bring you guys in when we're a little bit further ahead. Right people, I've got out of the traffic, that looks nice. Whatever that's called. We're going to take a left. And look at that. That looks mad. And the lights are turning, brilliant. Oh, get out of that lane. Broad Street traffic, the roundabout at the top, that's exactly where I was. For those of you who know. Gotta be careful, there's loads of bumps in the road. Uneven surfaces. Here it goes. That's got to be done. What is happening here? Come on. And we're back in the ends after taking a little detour, and my nose is leaking. That is not good. That's clearly still there. Get out the way. Lambo again, always there. I don't think that ever moves. Come on. Oh, lights are gone. The lights have gone. And she's popping. She's getting hot again here. I can't believe I can flat foot an S1000. It's the second reason as to why I brought one. Something's occurred because we've got the boys in blue. They've stopped an Audi A7 by the looks of it. Naturally, we have to go and inspect now and see what's happened, as one does. Okay, I think they're going now. Was it an Audi A7? Yes, it was. Was it? No, it was an RS3. And they've gone. Looked like an A7 all the way back there. It was this car right here. RS3. Another weapon. Oh, M50D, come on. Another weapon, well, a tank. Over 2.5 tons. Oh, the smell of weed around here is rife. Smells nice though. Right, what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to end the vlog here. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, as you guys normally do anyway. Big shout out and thank you for that, and I shall see you on the next one. Right people, I've made it home in one piece, and there is Blanche from the other side. Now that bad boy needs to go ASAP, but in the meantime and between time, like I always say, peace.